As always, this recipe will be underneath the video in the description box with a link to go print it on the website. We're going to pat dry our chicken thighs. I have 6 of them, as you can see. I want the skin to be nice and crisp, so I want to dry it. This island, guys, is feast or famine. Right now, there's no garlic, so I'm using minced garlic from a jar. But I have 4 teaspoons in here. I would mince 1 per chicken. It is a Parmesan garlic, garlic Parmesan. So, 4 to 6 garlic cloves, well minced. So in here I have 4 generous teaspoons of that minced garlic with a teaspoon of the granulated garlic, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili pepper, dried chilies, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to coat the chicken with this on both sides. I'm going to cook this in our air fryer, but you can cook this in an oven. I'll give you instructions at the bottom on both, okay? I'm now going to cook this skin side down for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to flip these. I'm going to sprinkle Parmesan cheese on them. We're going to cook these for another 10 minutes, guys, until everything is nice and crisp, okay? Our chicken is finished. I'm going to brush each one of these thighs with a little bit of melted butter. And I'm going to sprinkle some parsley on top. Check these out. Look how juicy the inside is. Wow. Mmm.